Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome to the world of English. And in today's session, we are once again going to learn few more, new words. So, are you all ready? Let's begin it. The first word is sullen. The meaning of sullen is, bad-tempered, being very mischievous, angry, and silent. And the second word is sneaky. The meaning of sneaky is doing things in a secret and dishonest way. For example, you see a cat. When a cat wants to drink milk from the kitchen, how does the cat gets inside the kitchen? It makes sure that nobody sees, because when we see, we will chase the cat away from the kitchen. Okay, so it is doing things in a secret and dishonest way. And the third word is exuberant. The meaning of exuberant is happy and full of energy and excitement. Showing lot of cheerfulness and having very high spirited. The fourth word is bossy. The meaning of bossy is always telling other people what to do in a way that is annoying. Okay, you show your authority over your subjects. You order, you order them to do what you want. Have you got it? Shall we move to the next one? The next word is cautious. The meaning of cautious is being very careful. You are very careful to avoid danger or risk. The next word is aggressive. Aggressive is behaving in an angry, threatening way. You are prone to behave in a way that you get into arguments, unnecessary arguments. Competitive. Competitive. The meaning of competitive is determined or trying very hard to become more successful than other people. The next word is finicky. Finicky is too concerned with unimportant details and small things that you like or dislike. Okay, for example, the teacher is taking class seriously in the class, and without listening to the class, you discuss about things that are not actually related to the subject. Okay, so here you are too concerned about unimportant things. The important thing is that you have to listen to the lecture of the teacher, right? You don't pay attention to the teacher's you know class, but you discuss about something which is very very unimportant. Okay, have you got it? Fine, let's move to the next slide. The next word is imaginative. The meaning of imaginative is good at thinking of new and interesting ideas. You use your imagination, your imagination power. The next word is observant. Observant is paying very close attention. You are very watchful. You are quick at noticing things. The next word is enthusiastic. The meaning of enthusiastic is showing a lot of interest and excitement about things. The next word is outgoing. The meaning of outgoing is someone who is outgoing, likes to meet and talk to new people. It's like, you are very sociable. You are able to mingle with the people easily. Okay, it's like extrovert. Have you understood? Shall we move to the next one? Fine, students, we have completed 1 to 12 words, and here I would like to give a small test. Okay, like previous sessions we had, like I had given meanings and you had to write the words, so we are going to follow the same. I'll give you here a few meanings, and please find out the word that substitute the meaning. Okay, shall we begin it?